Hi.
Hi guys, Mara.
Katie.
And my parents aren't home, so
We're
classy. And also, we are currently wearing fancy dresses, and I am in a cattail.
And I am a bunny. Because I'm black and white.
And this is what we do on our Thursday
Nights.
evenings.
Yeah.
And I made pasta.
It is delicious.
Literally, we have no lives.
Mm-mm.
I am in cat ears eating pasta.
Anyway, we hope you're enjoying the interwebs.
Mm-hmm.
And
And I propose a toast to those people on the interwebs who probably think we're insane. Anyway,
Cheers.
we see you. Not
Cheers.
Ding. Water and wine glasses. Can't get any classier than that, people.
Nope.
Anyway, we shall see you on the interwebs. Bye.
Bye.